Namaste, CNC Router users. I am Pradeep Kumar KP, your CNC Router and CAD CAM specialist. Welcome to our exclusive learning community. Congratulations. Thank you for becoming a member of this channel. It truly means a lot to me. Whether you have joined as an explorer, as a creator, or as a master, you are now part of a passionate learning community of CNC Router users and creators who are committed to learning, applying, and earning by mastering and growing in the world of CNC routers and digital fabrication. Let me explain you the different membership levels and the benefits you get out of it. If you are joined as a CNC router explorer, you would have paid Indian rupees 179 per month, 179 per month. You can now get loyalty badges beside your name, custom emojis to use during comments and live chats, and you have early access to my new videos before the public sees them. These perks allow you to stay ahead and show your identity in our community. If you have joined as CNC router creator, you would have paid rupees 419 per month. Hello creators, thank you for stepping up your support. Along with all explorer benefits, you will also get dedicated member shoutouts in selected videos, access to all previous level perks, and access to some of the membership videos, and access to some of the members videos. Your support helped me to create more in-depth videos. Those tutorials will help you to step up your game and work with real-time projects. And the next membership level is CNC Router Master. Those people are paying rupees 1199 per month. And to all our masters, you are the backbone of this channel. You get access to everything in the lower tiers. Plus, you have members only videos. You have special members only videos, including advanced training, industry insights, toolpath secrets, and special lessons I did not share publicly. Your commitment pushes me to deliver top quality videos in CNC router education. In the coming weeks, you will all receive exclusive tips, project-based tutorials, live Q&A opportunities, and many other lessons where you can have optimum utilization of CNC router machines for your application. This membership is all about helping you to become a CNC router expert so that you can apply it in a creative, productive, and profitable manner. Once again, I thank you for joining in this membership family. Your support helped me to create and teach thousands of CNC router users, and you also get the benefits of me teaching so many people and interact with them, gain more knowledge, and I can able to share those knowledge with you for your betterment. I could able to create valuable content. So explore the courses, take the best benefit out of it, start learning, and let us grow together. See you inside the course, and put your comments wherever you feel you want more knowledge or you want to interact with me. I will create those kind of videos you may want to gain knowledge. So thank you very much for your support, and congratulations being in this CNC routers and CAD CAM community. All the best.